This quinoa fried rice with mushrooms and lots of vegetables is so good and comes together just so easily. Hey friends, this quinoa fried rice is a recipe that you can do on any day of the week and will utilize any vegetables that are lying around in your pantry or in the fridge. First things first, I'm using a medium grain rice here. 1 cup quinoa. Rinse this quinoa. Empty the quinoa into this small sauce pot. Add about 1.5 cups water. This goes onto the stove, bring to a boil, lower the heat to medium, cook for about 18 minutes, turn off the heat, let it rest. Rice, 1/2 cup. We just need a tiny amount of rice in our recipe. Rice goes into this other small pot. About 3/4 cup water. Cover, cook. As the quinoa and rice continues to cook, into this small bowl, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, rice wine vinegar, just a touch sesame oil, honey. Give the mixture good stir. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be shared in the description box for you. I have some good assortment vegetables here to go with the dish. A carrot, a red onion, 2 peppers. I'll use 1/2 of each, a green and a red. I found these stir-fry blend mushrooms in my local supermarket. King oyster, some shiitake, and oyster mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms available in your local supermarket. Then I have some celery, scallions to finish and garnish. So first we do the knife work for all these vegetables. Cut the carrots into manageable in size that will cook fast. I'll use just 1/2 of this onion. This will yield about 1/2 cup or so. Just about 2 ribs celery, or maybe 3 of these because they are smaller. I will save these greens, they make a good garnish. For these mushrooms, just cut them into small bite size. Timer for our rice. Rice and quinoa all done. So toss this. For the shiitake, just take out the stem. These stems make very good mushroom stock or vegetable stock. Stack them. So for the oyster mushrooms, I'm just going to pull them apart. And these already look clean to me, so I don't need to do anything to them. Please fit into this small bowl. Get some scallions here. These greens will make a perfect garnish at the end. The celery greens, cut them like so. Now all our knife work done, ready to go cook. Into this preheating wok style pan, cooking oil. I'm using avocado, onion. Cook for a few seconds. Add the carrots, some salt, black pepper. Add the mushrooms. Remember, this is a recipe that you can use any mushrooms that is available, and the vegetables you can use whatever you feel like, whatever you prefer. This is what I had in my pantry. As you can see, the mushrooms have absorbed most of the oil here. Just add a touch. In goes the rest of the vegetables, the pepper, celery. Just a touch more salt, lots of black pepper. Colors are so vibrant here. Add ginger garlic paste. If you don't have the ginger garlic paste, you can use just regular garlic and ginger. A tablespoon of each will do. I'm using the heat on high all through just to quicken the process. Let's check on these carrots. Good. Into the pan, add the quinoa, the rice, our prepared sauce goes on the side. Break the rice lumps here, toast everything all together just to rewarm and finish the cooking. This looks so good, wow. Some black pepper, lots of it. Just a touch salt. Finish this with the onions, the scallions whites, off to the table. Wow, what a nice recipe. Comes together just so easily. Once again, you can use whatever you have in your pantry. This one is just so delicious. The mushroom gives it that good texture and also adds a lot of flavors, and also they are very nutritious. So this is a recipe that you can try on any day of the week, and you and your family will definitely enjoy. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below. I think one thing I could have added in this recipe, just in hindsight, will be some chili flakes, just to give it a slight kick. If you make it with some chili flakes, leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about it. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Please remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so. It's a way of supporting this channel. Thank you so much.